Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make taquitos dorados, ahogados, and salsa roja. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To begin, I'm going to be using my pressure cook to cook the tri-tip. Here I already cut into big chunks. So add it into the pot. And we're just going to use salt and black pepper along with half an onion, garlic, a handful of cilantro, and we're also going to be adding 3 potatoes. Add 6 cups of water, cover it, and we're going to pressure cook on high for 1 hour. And after the hour, release all of the leftover steam from your pot and carefully open it. And here the meat should be nice and tender. So we're just going to remove it from the pot, as well as for the potatoes. And we're just going to reserve 3 cups of the broth. Get into the blender cup with the 3 cups of broth. We're going to add our 4 New Mexico chile paws and just lightly toast them along with 2 chile moritas and chile de árbol. I'm using 10. We're also going to be adding our 5 Roma tomatoes, a piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, oregano, ground cumin, chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon, and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to be blending until smooth. As we have our salsa, we're going to return it back to the pot. Okay, so just remove everything from the pot, set it on the saute setting, and add the salsa. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so as your salsa comes to a full simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But just like that, we have our salsa, so now we can set it to the side so we can make our tacos. Okay, so now for our tacos, we're going to shred our meat and peel the potatoes. Okay, once we peel the potatoes, we can begin to break them down. So just smash them. And here you can taste your meat for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, we can add the cheese and just mix it all together. Okay, so once we have our meat mixture, now we can get ready to make our taquitos. So just make sure that you preheat your tortillas so they're nice and soft and they don't break when you roll them. So now just grab your meat mixture and just roll it. Just like that. And just repeat the process with all of your tortillas. Okay, once we have all our taquitos nice and rolled, place them in the hot oil over medium heat, steam down. Now just fry them until they're nice and golden. Okay, once they're nice and golden on one side, flip them over to the other and allow them to get nice and golden. Okay, and once our taquitos are nice and golden all around, we're going to drain as much oil as possible. Set them on paper towels. And we repeat the process with the rest of our taquitos. Alrighty guys, and once we have our taquitos, we can now get ready for the fun part. So here I already have my 3 tacos. Going to soak them in the salsa roja. Top it with some lettuce, some avocado salsa, crema mexicana, queso cotija, and top it with some tomatoes. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that of course you want to enjoy these taquitos as soon as you serve them. But I am so ready. Hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. I love taquitos dorados, so I am so ready. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, so good. The salsa complements the beef, the potatoes, and everything. Just puts it all together. It's so good. And if you don't want it to be spicy, you can use less chile de árbol. But let me tell you that this right here, so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make easy and delicious taquitos dorados in salsa roja. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.